Welcome back to Life RN. Today we're going to be unboxing the Beast Blender. Currently going for $165.75. The original price is $195. So I decided to go ahead and grab this because everybody's talking about it on Instagram. And of course, those things kind of get you sometimes. And also, I need an extra blender because I just got rid of my Vitamix. Yes, I know. But we'll see how this thing works. We'll go ahead and unbox. The Beast claims to be solid, ultra durable, with an innovative 12-rib design, which creates superior internal turbulence for the smoothest blends. It's also safe, which monitors internal temperature to avoid overheating and blending of hot liquids. It's also intelligent. The blades monitor the speed, which makes rapid adjustments to maintain consistent speed and torque. It also has a blend and pulse mechanism, so you can go ahead and start perfectly and then end perfectly. You have a 1,000-watt motor, tuned for maximum performance, and you also have a sturdy base. Aside from the aesthetics, I think functionality is key here. So we'll see how it works, but for now, you have that beautiful hydration bottle, and you have your two-system blender that you can set up right there. This is just gorgeous. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.